Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is well. In this video, I am going to show you the second generation model of surgical mask making machine. Okay, in my first video, you have seen this one, which is first generation model. Let me show you the 3D model. Then you can understand Solidwork 2016 version. Okay, and in this design, you can see something like this kind of ear loop sealing system, and this kind of main cutting section, and that kind of ear loop sealing system, all are automatic system. Okay, and today we will talk about this one. This one is second generation model. Actually there are altogether 4 generation. Okay, first, second, third, fourth. So this is second generation, and here you can see in the project file you will have Solidwork 2018 version and CREO 5.0 version. Okay, you will have STEPS BOM+PDF and list of the documents what is inside the folder. The text, let's open it. You will see this. It has program, electric diagram, electrical boom, body and external ear strap machine, processing document CAD and PDF also available, mechanical boom single, 3D source the Solidwork 2018. Okay, and you can see part file and blah blah blah. Editable CREO 5 are available, processing video, assembly, drawing steps. Okay, so very simple. Whatever you need to make a machine like this, you will find everything in the folder. So here is the electric diagram and production video. So let's open from production video and see how this machine works. Okay, so let's see one video about this machine. Here is the video. You can see the production process is going on. 2-line ear loop sealing system, full automatic. Okay, every minute can produce 120 to 140 pieces of surgical mask with all ear loop attached. So here you can see the list, boom list, and some other files. And see, okay, here you can see the CAD. Okay, the all measurement and estimations are in English, so any engineer can easily understand this thing. And go back, open randomly another one, this one. Here you can see estimations are available in English. Okay, all size estimations are available in English. And go back, going back. Okay, let's open one of them. Here you can see PDF and CAD are available. PDF looks like this. Actually this PDF is generated from CAD. Okay, the same CAD file you will have. And here you can see informations are in English, but some side notes are in Chinese. Some side notes are in Chinese, but the estimations are in English. So I hope the engineer will understand how it works with it. Okay, so let's go the main part. Actually these are all are like PDF and CAD files, so I am not gonna waste our time here. See another PDF. So this is how the parts looks like and how you can make it. Every estimations are here. So let's go back and open 3D model. Okay, so here is the 3D model, and when you get in this folder you will find CREO 5.0. Let me show you. I don't have any CREO software, so I cannot show you everything what is inside, but same design I have in Solidwork 2018 version, and I can open one by one and let me show you how this machine work. Okay, so let me open. Okay, so let me open this one. This one is this one. So the main cutting section. So in one video it is very difficult to talk about two machines, two parts together. So here you have one conveyor belt and another machine, another part, the ear loop attachment systems are also included. So I will talk about this in my future video. Stay tuned. Today I will talk about only this. Okay, so let's open this machine and let's see what is included in this. You can see each and every parts has details, 2D and 3D designs, and no part are missing. It is in my free software what is called eDrawings, available for Apple, okay, MacBook. So you can use this software. Of course, if you have a Solidwork 2018, that would be recommended for this design. I am using free software that can open any kind of design, 3D or 2D. Okay, so let's see the 3D view. Here you can see the 3D view, and what is the main difference actually between different generation. The first difference is the design. It looks different, and the second main difference between two machines is the performance. Of course, modern design and latest design perform well than the previous generation. The downside of this machine is the parts are unavailable. If you can make the machine, only go for that. Parts is very hard to find in ready-made. In the first generation machine, you have seen that there are many ready-made parts available in the market, but for this machine it is difficult to find. There is parts, but it is difficult to find. Okay, so let's stop these things and see the different parts of this machine and the mechanism. Okay, so, and first let me talk about, here is just 4 layer. If you want to make it as 3 layer, you just remove 1 layer, that will make 3 layers, 3 ply mask. Okay, and here is the nose bar goes from here. Okay, so it depends on you and your customer order. If they order you 3 layer mask, of course you use 3. So I'm not going to talk about this. This is very simple and everybody know that. So let's talk about the mechanism here. Okay, so I will disassemble this machine one by one. First hide this part and see what is inside. So first of all, you can see 2 roller. Okay, 2 roller, and 2 rollers are just like there is a screw from the top, and every time you input the raw materials inside the machine, you need to loose it and put the raw materials in it. Okay, so you need to move it. That's why it is very little bit big and easy to adjust. And here you can see a spring. That spring helps the raw materials don't stuck here, because spring is flexible. Sometimes raw materials goes in and it's just help smoothly go in the machine. So here you can see there's just 2 main roller working here. So let's see one by one, and let's hide one by one and see what is inside. Okay, so here you can see the spring, almost same kind of structure, these 2. And you can buy this structure from the market, full ready-made one, if you don't have the capacity to make all the parts. Okay, so here is the big roller. Let's hide it. Let's hide it too. So the main mechanism of going through this roller then make folding part. But in our previous model, you have seen first there was a folding part, then goes in. So this is a little bit different, you know. I already told you this is 2nd generation model, this is not 1st generation. So of course you will have different design. Let me show you from this side. Okay. Okay, so let's hide the ultrasonic roller, and here you can see the ultrasonic head. Okay, it is ultrasonic head. Let's hide the table part. Then you can see ultrasonic is set it up inside the table. Okay, so now you can see it very clearly. So here is the ultrasonic. Normally people are using 20K 2600 watts ultrasonic, so you can customize the ultrasonic according to your needs. It is like very expensive right now and very difficult to find it, so I think 20K 2600 watt will works for you. Okay, so here you can see gears, and gears are connected with some other gears. Okay, that means it is simultaneous gears, and once one move, it runs every gears to move and run everything simultaneously. Okay, so you can see the main gears are connected from here, and it is like connected by belt or chain. All gears are connected like this. Okay, so zoom out and show you. So now here you can see the main gears motor, and this motor is connected like this with chain. Okay, with chain, and all are connected and synchronized very well. What is more waiting for us? Okay, so we have just seen the ultrasonic main cutting unit, ultrasonic unit. After making the shape of ultrasonic and embossing, it comes here. Okay, here is the folding part, and this folding part are two parts you can see here, and you can buy ready-made this set from the market. You no need to worry about it. If you cannot make, it's also okay. If you face difficulties to find any parts, you can contact with me. I can help you. And here you can see, and after making the folding part, it comes into the cutting unit, and you need to adjust the cutting unit to make a mask in proper shape and proper cutting. You need to adjust it. Okay, so when you run the machine, you will see how to adjust it. You can lose this thing, this screw on it, on the top screw, and you can adjust the roller. Okay, so here you can see the embossing roller and the adjustment screw. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, here you can see some other parts. So the main work of this part is, after making folding, you cannot directly put the folding part inside the cutting section, so you need an alignment section what put the fabrics in a proper way, so that will make machine run perfectly. Okay, you can see the rollers looks like big because this machine is second generation, so it actually can produce 140 piece mask per minute with automatic air loop system. If you don't need automatic air loop, by this machine you can even make 500 masks only by this part. You can adjust manually the air loop later, but if you want to attach this machine with automatic air loop welding system, because air loop welding system, that one has a limitation. That one cannot make sealing more than 60. Okay, maybe there are many machines, I don't know about that, but what I know, I just told you. So the gears, you can see the gears, and those gears are very popular now because everybody is making the mask making machine, and you can buy those gears from the market. Okay, so here you can see gears. Actually, gears are very useful. Gears makes a machine. Okay, it just help to run everything with the help of motor. And what kind of motor you will use, you will find in the document. You will see this power motor, what kind of motor you need. Here you can see another small motor, and there's adjustment switch. With the regulator, you can adjust the speed according to the main speed. Okay, and what you need, actually it looks like complicated, but not that complicated, because ultrasonic machine, it comes with own control box. Okay, and you need another regulator box for the main motor. Okay, that the two electrical part in this machine, and others are metal connected by electric chain. Okay, and here you can see the control box. When you buy motor, you can buy this control box with the motor. Motor price is cheap, motor is not expensive, but ultrasonic, that one is a little bit expensive right now. I am not gonna tell you the price because the price is changing every day. So maybe when you are watching my video, the price already changed. So I'm not gonna tell you the price. So here you can see the motor. So let's hide this part and this frame too, that you can see the motor clearly. Okay, so this motor looks very nice. Here you can see the belt connected by belt, this motor. Let's hide it. And I found one downside of this machine. Do you know what? Although it is second generation machine, but here you can see they used two-piece ultrasonic machine. So making same mask, they used two-piece ultrasonic machine in the main cutting section, which is very strange because ultrasonic machines are very expensive right now, over $2,500 one piece. So if you use one here and one here, you need two, that means $5,000. Oh my god, so this machine price would be very high. So if you can get the same result with lower investment, why you go to make this machine by investing more? Make no sense. But there is an advantage of this machine, because this machine can produce 500 pieces per minute, another machine cannot, because this one used two ultrasonics, both are powerful. This can make very fast surgical mask, but if you make very fast, that also useless, because if you use automatic air loop sealing system, you cannot make it that fast, because air loop sealing system has limitation, and you cannot make over 140 per minute, because air loop sealing system capacity is little bit slow. Okay, so don't worry, let me show you just for your understanding about the machine, that you can better understand how to build the machine. Many people are struggling, I know, to make the machine. If you are professionals, if you are engineer, you think this machine making is nothing for you, but many of you, they are trying to move into this business, and they are facing lots of difficulties to make this machine. So maybe this assembly will help them to understand more about this machine. Okay, so if you are not so professional, I will suggest you to go first generation model. My first generation model is available. in the description box below. You can check the description box. Of course, you will find the first generation model that is more easy. Parts are ready-made available in the market. You just buy the parts and set up on the table. That's it. That's simple. Okay, so we are almost done here. If I zoom out, you can see we have successfully disassembled another mask making machine, which is second generation surgical mask making machine. Okay, so this is for educational purpose. The explanation, if I have made any mistake, many of professional engineers are watching this video, I know, and if I made any mistakes, I apologize for that. Making machine, which is second generation surgical mask making machine, this is more stable and more powerful than previous generation, but the downside is they used 2 ultrasonic in the main cutting section. That will make a little bit costly, but it will make more mask per minute. So that's all for today. If you want this mask making machine design, you can contact with me. Of course, free sample of the design are available for trial, and if you like, you can get the design from me. And of course,